Aprangsi pini nilitum All Assam Karbi Youth and Student Union Kachar District Committee lapen Kachar District along kedo Karbi ahin pen media thingno kewang ke kachoro pipajir je phansi pini nilitum media thingno wang iglo ilitum kacheng hon Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma Chief Minister of Assam lapen ilitum kacheng hon Dr. Tiliram Ronghang CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen akehai song visit ingti kathar lapen do an song trok atuma phanta nilitum All Assam Karbi Youth and Student Union ahin pen choro pipajir iglo song trok lapen Government of Assam 2021 aningkan MOS lamdon kachit toksi Karbi Anglong lapen dimaha saupen angtan kido Karbi atuma phan Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council pipajir nangji pusi isi Assam Government lapen Indian Government lapen song trok atum lamdon chitok lo lapu lamdon chitok dat pen api ekidam tang 13 March 2026 arani Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council Kachari ponji aphan pachun pon iglo lasi nilitum Kachar District kedo Karbi ahin benta alang litum aphan ning aklong pen churup pipajir iglo lapen ilitum kacheng hon akehai Dr. Sarsing ingti aphan authority kedo atum alang li aphan bangso a council along CEM anghoi ar kipek ponji aphan si chuningri iglo as anso se mesen me at pen bangso Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council Charipon Popusi nilitum Kachar District kedo Karbi atumta ning thelo lapen 2021 aningkan lamdon kachet tok clause number 3.5 ateng pen Karbi Anglong lapen dima hasau pen angtan kedo Karbi atum aphan ST status Assam Sarkar aphan prabjin pen mate assembly election aprang pachun pon popusi chuningri iglo Kijutsi nengduk alam nilitum Kachar District aphan member anghoi pekpon pedat lasi labang isi nengduk alam lo lasi arpu kido atuma phan Kachar District aphan ta prabjin pen isi member anghoi ke pekpon jia phan si chuning riglo.
On behalf of all Assam Karbi Youth and Student Union Kachar District Committee, the village headmen of different villages and the Karbi people of Kachar District, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Hemanta Biswa Sharma, for constituting the Interim General Council of the Karbi Welfare Autonomous Council. This historic step has brought great hope and development to the Karbi people living in the 8th district of Assam outside Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the Mahasau Autonomous Council. We also extend our sincere thanks to Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliraham Ronghang, for his continued support and concern for the welfare and development of the Karbi community across Assam. And also thanks to 6 Rehabilitation Group. Our special appreciation and best wishes go to Dr. Sarsing Engti Sombijit for his tireless dedication and efforts towards the rights, unity and development of the Karbi people. We wish him great success in all his future works and responsibilities. At the same time, we humbly request the authority to kindly appoint Dr. Sarsing Engti as the Chief Executive Member CEM of this council, so that under his leadership the council can work effectively for the welfare and progress of the Karbi people living in the Plain district. Furthermore, we respectfully urge the government of Assam to implement clause 3.5 of the Karbi Peace Accord 2021 and grant ST Hill status to the Karbi people living in the Plain district. This long-standing demand is very important for protecting the identity, rights, and development of the Karbi community. Once again, we express our sincere gratitude to the government of Assam and all the respected leaders for taking this significant step for the upliftment and development of the Karbi people.